Good evening, everyone. Anthony Wall Street Trader, 10:56 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, November 17, 2021. This is not financial advice. This is educational. Click the subscribe, click the bell, share the video. We're here to talk about Nucypher. Click the thumbs up. Let's talk about Nucypher. Make sure everyone understands the greatness of Nucypher and keep right here on YouTube. Wall Street Trot 12 is the link, my handle. If you care to get my intraday tweets, in the meantime, let's go over to the markets. Now, 88 cents is where we're at. Kind of literally sitting on the green line right now, and clearly things are starting to resume to normalcy, or we would think. But in the meantime, we'll talk about Bitcoin in a second, because that is the benchmark, that is the barometer, and we kind of need to follow that. But right now, one of the many altcoins out there, Nucypher US dollar, a special one at that. This bad boy is sitting close enough to the 88 cents or on or about the 88 cent line. We do have that area of support we talked about yesterday, around 83 cents. We've got a few dippy doos here and there, but certainly pulled up, I think, across the altcoin market we have. So we do have an area here. We do need to get up to 93, 94 cents, which is the next area of support right around here. It's actually probably closer to 95 on the yellow line here. So we want to get there. And then above that. But right now, let's focus in on the very near term. We do have floor support around 83, 84. Right now, sitting at 88. Breaking through 88 gets us closer to 94. So those are the current support ranges right now. No patterns detected. In the meantime, let's go to Nucypher Bitcoin. We'll zoom in here and take a look. So as of right now, we are certainly starting to see some signs of life on the Nucypher Bitcoin pair. This is exactly what we want. Now, a couple things here. We're literally on the bottom end of this channel. So this here is where we're at, around 1472. 1466 is the area of support. Let me zoom in so we can see. So we're right around here, a little bit over this green line. We want to get back up here. Now, we do have a very short line here. I would be a little ashamed to draw it. It's literally a day. So we could be getting to a point where we could get a nice bump here because as we come closer to the right, if we can stay over the green line, we have alternative dual support here, very short term, albeit, and maybe pushing this thing up. However, you know, the barometer of Bitcoin is also at play here at 59,000 and change. So we'll go into that in a second, but we are definitely catching reasonable support here on Keep. Keep is sitting properly around 69 cents, 70 cents. Hasn't done a whole lot. Been hanging around, bopping around a percentage or two. But still, staying above and respecting that 69 cent line. It's pretty good at respecting trend lines and things of that nature. Let's go to, so we are range bound between 69 cents and obviously up here we have a 79 cent handle of resistance. Now let's go take a look at this, and let me draw this out. Man, time flies. So we're still slightly under this channel here. This channel here is 1230 in terms of resistance, and we really we're starting to round off here, which is good. And assuming things are kind of calm now in Bitcoin land and we stay over 58,000, I think we could be in for some sideways to possibly up. But if not, if Bitcoin starts taking a total turd, we could be in for a downfall here. Now, we'll go into Bitcoin in a second, but there's a possibility of it going down 10%, but we're 50-50 on that right now. We're going to go into that. Here we go. Let's go to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's here. Bitcoin has been over 58K since 1 month ago, since October 15th. It is November 17th now. It's probably a little over a month at this point, not counting the days, but since October 15th, we've been at or over 58K. Now, we are holding on to a thread here, but we're starting to show a little bit of sign of life in a positive way. And we're going to go into Bitcoin dominance to show you that in a second. However, if things don't go the way we want it to, some macro event, some guy opens up their flap on TV or cable or wherever the news outlets are, this thing, if it breaks 58K, we could be in for a fall down to the 54K handle. If not, we should be trekking up. We'd claim victory if we can pass 66K. Then I would say, all right, we're not going to 54. However, we're still down here on the support line of 58. So let's see how it plays out. We're a couple of thousand points away from it. Not really worried right now, but things can happen in a New York minute. You've all seen it happen before. So if we do go down, 54K is a support line that I'm expecting based on this trend line here from higher lows. As we can see, this would be the right spot for it to be caught. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance. This is where I am very favorable of the overall crypto market. We're starting to see it drop dramatically. While Bitcoin was going up, this thing was starting to drop. Literally a half a point, 50 basis points to be exact, probably a little more since I was looking at this thing. And we started out at 44.30, and all the way down it went to 43.77. So yeah, more than 50 basis points. But anyway, that's all I've got right now. Nucypher, 88 cents. Got to get up here. Got to get up here and keep. Let's go. But, looks like a snoozer right now until Bitcoin makes a real decision. Talk soon.